A bank vault door is silently drilled. Shadow makes his mark, leaving the city in awe and fear. Shadow bypasses a laser grid with ease, a phantom thief capable of achieving the impossible. In a crowded gallery, a priceless painting vanishes without a trace, solidifying Shadow's legendary status. Headlines scream, "Shadow strikes again. The city is gripped by fear. Is anyone safe?" Detective Raymond Cole, a man consumed by intensity, stands before a wall of evidence, each piece a fragment of Shadow's elusive puzzle. Detective Miller enters, his voice echoing the frustration of the force. "Another one, huh? This guy is a ghost." Cole turns, his gaze unwavering, as he replies with resolute determination. "Ghosts leave traces, we just have to find them." The museum vibrates with excitement as the priceless emerald is revealed amidst the clinking champagne glasses and watchful eyes. Shadow, masked as a waiter, his gaze set on the emerald, moves silently through the crowd. With a subtle move, Shadow uses a miniature EMP device. The security camera goes dark. In the museum's security room, oblivious guards watch monitor screens, unaware of the danger. Hidden from view, Cole watches the crowd, whispering, "Hez here, I can feel it." In the dead of night, the emerald disappears from its display case, the silence amplifying its absence. Cole storms into the room, gun raised, only to find emptiness staring back. Frustration mounting, Cole barks, "He was here. Activate the tracker." Cole sprints through the maze of alleys, guided by the relentless tracker signal. Under a flickering streetlight, Shadow waits, calm amidst the encroaching storm. Cole confronts him. "It's over, Shadow." Shadow's acknowledgement hangs in the air. "You finally caught me, Detective." A sudden burst of smoke fills the alley as a smoke bomb explodes between Cole and Shadow. The smoke clears, revealing Shadow's sudden disappearance. On the ground, a glint of emerald catches Cole's eye, beside a folded note. Cole reads the note, his voice a low murmur. "You win this round, Detective, but the game isn't over. Not yet."